Looking to showcase your service area on your Facebook page? Let's go through the steps to add your service area information. Begin by opening the Facebook app and logging into your account. Tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, and select Pages. Next, switch to your page by tapping the down arrow next to the profile photo and selecting the page you want to switch to. Once on your page, tap the profile picture, then the edit icon located at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Edit next to Detail. To add your service area, tap Add Service Area and enter the relevant information. Once you've added your service area details, tap Save to finalize the changes. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added your service area to your Facebook page, making it easier for potential customers to know where you operate. Keeping your service area information up to date is crucial for attracting local clientele. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your social media presence.